Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to display vessel names on the marine traffic application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just click to the icon at the upper left corner of the home screen and tap to the map options button. And here you can find the vessel names option under the map magnification. Actually, I don't use that, but if you want to show or display in the map the vessel names, just click to the next white circle, and if it will be turned blue, this function will be enabled so you can see the vessel's names. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.